Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 15DK. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP 15DK only works when plugged in, it's likely that the battery is failing. This can happen due to age or wear and tear, and if left unaddressed, it could lead to more significant issues, such as damage to the charging port or complete power failure. So, let's get started on fixing this issue before it escalates. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a spudger tool, and a replacement battery specifically for the HP 15DK. First, ensure your laptop is turned off and unplugged. Begin by removing the screws from the base of the laptop using your Phillips screwdriver. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, use your spudger tool to gently pry open the casing. Be cautious around the edges to avoid damaging the clips holding the case together. After you've successfully opened the laptop, locate the battery. It should be situated towards the bottom of the device, clearly visible. Carefully disconnect the battery by gently pulling on the connector. If you encounter any resistance, do not force it, instead, check for any additional screws that might be holding it in place. Remove the battery by unscrewing any screws that secure it. Remember to note the type of screws and their positions for reassembly later. Once the battery is free, take your new replacement battery and align it in the same position as the old one. Reconnect the battery connector, ensuring it is secure. Now, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the casing back on, making sure all clips are properly engaged. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them gently to avoid stripping the threads. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is back together, plug in your laptop and turn it on. Check to see if the battery is charging correctly. To avoid future issues with your battery, try to keep your laptop charged between 20 and 80% and avoid leaving it plugged in all the time. Additionally, ensure you're using your laptop on a flat, hard surface to prevent overheating. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.